Good morning. Alrighty, and welcome back everybody, and with the ongoing saga of the electrical system, but today we're making some better progress because now we got to wire in the ground power transformer rectifier, which has been securely fastened in her home. That was, we had just, well, I had just put the bolts in loose last time, but we got all the wires here that are known as to what they do, which wires which, and the wiring harness up here, everything is wire tagged and labeled, and now we just got to match what wire goes to which ones. That's where our wiring diagram comes into play. Actually, you know what? Let me change lenses for you guys real fast. Alright, here you guys go. So, external power transformer rectifier. Wires 2 and 4 go to ground. Number 1 is our AC feed, that is X62L20 alpha. And wire 3, which is the 28 volt DC, that comes and merges with 2 wires, P16A20 and P16C20. And that's our chart to follow what goes where. It's very handy that literally every wire is labeled in this aircraft, as it should be. But yep, that's what we're going to follow, and hopefully get power on this thing today. Alright, so a big piece of this is to prep all the wire ends, and since this is going to be somewhat permanent, everything's going to get soldered together, heat shrunk, and put together as good as I can make it.
Because that thing is the one that could possibly get snagged, you know, those rubber handles.
And the pilot would then go bye-bye.
Yeah, well,
for a quick moment.
We did check for hot brakes on the F-16. We had a temp stick and we touched the brakes.
Yeah. Well, I'll come up to them I'll come up to them when they were smoking and glowing, and it's like, I think that's plenty hot.
The brakes are hot.
And we used to have them overheat on the runway, and
well, you know who used to heat the wheels on this?
Yeah, he'd stand on those brakes. Yeah.
Oh, you could, every time he come in, you knew you had hot brakes. Every time.
And or the ones who would forget to turn the anti-skid on and come back with a big flat spot on the bottom of it.
Was good on the braking. He didn't heat the wheels up too bad.
Or the ones that stand on the wheels.
But I always.
You know, you can use that drag suit.
What?
If it means not having to change the tire, I'll stuff the chute a couple times. You know.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
Sound?
Yes.
Oh, we're here denigrating one of our past pilots. You're gonna have to edit
That's what ground crew does.
Yeah, but we don't want to, you know, upset any pilots.
I'll blank out names.
All right.
Okay, yeah.
I'll blank out the names. How's that?
Okay, well, you know, this.
Yeah, I just realized that we were.
Oh, you see the little red light blinking?
Well,
Yeah,
see,
well,
this
I didn't know which way the microphone was.
Yeah, but you know, it's his way to blackmail us when he gets a chance.
No, I would never do that.
Oh no. Here. I would never do that.
Oh my.
But it is always a good time to come out here. I mean, I've been frustrated a lot lately, but things are going better. Everything's falling in place again finally.
Yeah,
but we got less than a month to get this thing at least on the ground.
Yeah, well, I got good news for you. I don't have to go to South America the 15th, so I'll be around all through May. June,
Excellent. That means we can go flying.
Yes, we can. Well, I got to get my DG fixed.
That's right. How's that going?
I rebuilt it about 2 or 3 months ago, and then it shit the bed again. Then I rebuilt the attitude indicator. That was another couple thousand. I got to go back to work.
Nice. That's a little cooking hot there.
I'll put this here so we don't forget it.
Alright, that's on aluminum. Yes, heat shrink. Thank you. Where did he put the heat gun? I know it's here somewhere.
You have a heat gun?
Yeah, he brought one over just for this. At least I thought he did. Where is it? Now, if any of you guys ever deal with electrical terminals, highly recommend a ratcheting crimper tool. It's way easier on your hands and whatnot. It's a lot nicer. So let's see, AC. Nope. This one, DC minus. Alright, time for some heat gun action. Got everything soldered together. How to make it good. And if you guys are wondering what that noise is in the background, that's the high pack. We got it idling outside to warm up. We're gonna, you know, just make sure all the equipment's running and good and whatnot. Alright, she is all done. And some of you will probably be relieved with this, but everything is wire lace, no zip ties. Nice. So that's that out of the way. Now let's go do the transformer rectifiers up in the Whistle cockpit. Alright, TRs are installed in the back and they're isolated. This one can breathe. That one normally sits a little further down. Everything's alright. Alright, this one's wired in and that one can also do its thing. So now let's go over all the cockpit controls. Push all the fuel breakers back in. Okay, there's that. Lights are off. Let's see. Alright, navigation system is off. Alignment is off. The RSC. Not that we have these pods, but the ECM pods are set off. Battery bypass off. These ones are okay. Let's look on the other side. Let's see. Linear radar power's off. Oxygen, IFF. Cooling reset. Canopy handles. So what else we got? Okay. Rear UHF is turned off. Rear TACAN is turned off. Okay. I'm not sure exactly. Let's see. ECM. Radar warning receiver, that's turned off. Throttles are off. Flap switch or flaps handles up. That's the emergency flaps. Yeah. It's looking good in the back here. Alright, let's run through the checklist before we put power onto this thing. So, publications of flight data. No, face curtain, that deals with seats, ejection, generator switches. There we go. Check off. Internal wing dump switch to normal. Throttles off. Landing gear handle in and down. Check. Pitot heat. That is right there. Off. Battery, that's going to have to wait. Engine master switches off. Formation lights off. All my other lights are off.
My old knees got me up.
Landing light and taxi light also off. Standby attitude circuit breaker in. That is somewhere nearby. SAI. That's the ARI. Okay. UHF, VHF radios off. Make sure our avionics master, yes, we have some modern stuff in here. Reference system selector to standby. That would be a switch approximately right here. We don't have that since we don't have those instruments. External power. Okay.
Don't have to worry about safety pins because you don't have a seat that's not in.
Flaps are up, rat is in. Okay. AFCS, all the stabilities are off. ICS is, set that to cold mic, I don't really need that right now.
And we're not going to talk to the tower today.
No, definitely not. Okay, anti-skids off. Let's see. Rockets, master arms off. Jettison, actually that's the weapons release. Selector off. Let's see, instruments are off. This is for the lights up here. That covers almost all of the instrument lights. Okay. Tack antennas off. Okay. Rain removal's off. AC is off. Interior lights off. Off. Console. All right. Here goes everybody. Nothing. Not sure what's going on now. Should be working.
Well, troubleshooting is the elimination of all possible alternatives, right?
Exactly. Alright guys, here's what we got going on. So, external power TR. This is the fuse and it does keep popping the fuse. So, following the book, so there's our electrical power coming in, goes through here, makes that 28 volt DC to put on the external power switches up in the forward cockpit, and it comes straight here to pin J and K on the AC power box. That is at the bottom of the Wizzo's cockpit. What we got to do now is pull this plug off and change the fuse again and make sure that we have 28 volts. If we have 28 volt power here and we didn't pop the fuse, that means this AC power box has to get changed. And that is not going to be fun. All right, everybody. Well, that was disappointing, but such as it is when with electrical problems sometimes, we'll get her figured out. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.